Hey boys and girls, welcome to Sailor on the Sea. For this song, you are going to need 3 instruments. My 3 instruments are, I found 2 metal straws that I'm going to clink together for one sound. I found, from a past lesson, I found a container with macaroni in it for my shaker. And then I thought for my 3rd sound, I'd combine the 2 and play it as a drum and use these as drumsticks. So you can have 3 separate instruments or a combination like me. And first we're gonna do just some motions with the song. So it goes like this. A sailor went to sea, to see what he could see, and all that he could see, was the bottom of the deep blue sea. Now it's your turn. You're going to clap every time the word sea comes on. You ready? A sailor went to see what he could, and all that he could was the bottom of the deep blue. And now we're going to take a the next word is a sailor went to chop. So I'm going to do the chopping motion. A sailor went to chop, to see what he could chop, and all that he could chop, was the bottom of the deep blue, chop. Now it's your turn. A sailor went to see what he could, and all that he could was the bottom of the deep blue. And the next one is our knees. A sailor went to knee, to see what he could, knee, and all that he could, knee, was the bottom of the deep blue, knee. Okay, it's your turn, on the knees. A sailor went to see what he could, and all that he could was the bottom of the deep blue. All right, and now we gotta combine all 3. So it was see, chop, knee. And here's how it goes. A sailor went to see, chop, knee, to see what he could. See, chop, knee, and all that he could see, chop, knee, was the bottom of the deep blue sea, chop, knee. All right, now I'm going to do it without the words and just do on those 3 sounds at the end of each phrase. A sailor went to see what he could, and all that he could was the bottom of the deep blue. Hey Molly, say hi to the boys and girls. Now I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to pick my 3 different instrument sounds for all of the words. So the first one is C. So I'm going to click my metal straws together for the C words. Here we go. A sailor went to sea, to see what he could see, and all that he could see, was the bottom of the deep blue sea. And now I'm going to do this instrument, tapping on the plastic lid for chop. A sailor went to chop, to see what he could chop, and all that he could chop, was the bottom of the deep blue, chop. And now I'm going to shake the container for the knee words. A sailor went to see what he could, knee, and all that he could, knee, was the bottom of the deep blue, knee. Let's try that all again, and this time just have the instrument sound. So this was my C sound, this was my chop sound, and this was my knee sound. A sailor went to see what he could, and all that he could was the bottom of the deep blue. And now let's do the chop sound. A sailor went to see what he could, and all that he could was the bottom of the deep blue. And finally, knee. A sailor went to see what he could, and all that he could was the bottom of the deep blue. Now, we are going to try to combine them together. So it's going to be C, chop, knee. Whoa, that's going to be hard. A sailor went to see what he could, and all that he could was the bottom of the deep blue. Thanks for singing Sailor Went to Sea with me today, boys and girls. I hope you had fun. See you in the next video. Bye.